Good morning. Today is February 2nd and I'm just now moving into my new room. Yes, my bed is going to be on the floor until I get the bed rails and stuff like that. But I had switched rooms. My old roommate moved out, so now I get her room. And yeah. So right now I'm just finishing moving everything in here. And then I have to get ready to go to the 4. Yes, I'm about to be sitting in the audience of the 4. Hello. So right now I am on my way to the 4. It's the season finale of the 4 and it's filming today. So I'm on my way there. This will be my second time going to the 4. Like the filming and all that stuff. So I'm so excited. I am so nervous on who's gonna win. Like, one of my favorite people went home. I kind of have an idea of who I think is gonna win, but I'm not going to say. I'm gonna just be like, I told you so. I freaking told you so. So yeah, I can't wait to see who wins. And this is my I'm wearing a yellow romper. I'm walking and holding this phone at the same time, so really can't show you guys what I'm wearing. But see you in the next scene. So good afternoon, guys. Today is Sunday, February 4th, and I didn't film anything yesterday. I literally got back from the 4 at 6 o'clock in the morning, and I was just out for literally the whole day. I did not wake up until like 2 o'clock. No, actually 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon, and that was it. Like, I didn't even do nothing with life. I was just so tired and exhausted. You guys, wait till you see the 4, okay? Like, the person who won, oh my gosh, they seem so humble. But I can't give you guys any type of information on who won the 4 because I signed the contract. But yeah, we were there from 1:45 all the way until like 2 in the morning. So I was really sleepy. Like, man, I was tired. I had a headache, and I'm just like, and then I didn't get home until 6 o'clock in the morning the next day. So, man, I was exhausted. And so right now, what I'm doing is it's like 12 o'clock on the 4th. And today's Super Bowl Sunday. Go Eagles. Who is slamming doors? What the hell? Like, goodness. This is all that crucial. No. But anyways, so I am just going to go ahead and film my videos before the Super Bowl come on. And yeah, and do some editing and stuff because I'm about to be busy as hell for the next week and really won't have any time. So yeah. So today is Tuesday. Yeah, it's Tuesday, February 6th. And I am here cleaning up a customer house. And I've been here since 12:51. I had to wait for someone to like let me in. So she had to call like the management people so that way they could get me in here into the room. Because she didn't leave her key. Like, she said she was gonna hide her key, but she didn't. So now I'm at her place and it is a mess, and I'm about to show you guys. This is how the place looks like when you first walk in. It is a mess. I don't even know really where to start. This is going to be more than a 3-hour job. I can say. Yeah. So this is just my evidence, you know. And let's begin. So I've been here for an hour and I'm just now entering the bathroom. Like I said, this is what it looks like. Yeah, I kind of move a little things. I'm clearing off the sink so I can start cleaning the sink in the mirror. And I still have to go to this room, this living room area. And all I did was like the kitchen so far. And I made it neat, but I do have to sweep up that trash. It's a lot, no progress yet, so we shall see. Pretty much finished. This is the kitchen. The counters, the sink. You know, I pretty much left everything where it was. And then these are the trash I'm about to take out. And then that was right there already. These are the floors. I changed the trash. I cleaned the mirrors right there. And then we go to the room. And I pretty much just folded all the clothes that was just thrown right there and left it there because I didn't want to go through their drawers and put things up. And then the stuff that was right here, I folded. This right here, I saw this bin here empty. So I just put the dirty clothes that was in the bathroom right there. And this was already there. Cleaned the mirrors again. And then I made the bed. I didn't wash the sheets because that's not part of my job. And the sheets is wet because I guess somebody peed in the bed. And then I folded the towels up and stuff like that again. I left everything pretty much where it is. And yep. So that's that. I dust and everything. I vacuumed the floor. And then we go to the bathroom. You guys already seen the bathroom. I cleaned the bathroom. Dumped the trash. Cleaned the tub. Yeah, made it all nice and neat in there. And then we get to the living room. Again, like I just folded everything up where it was already. Just made it nice and neat. Left everything was. Put the shoes there nice and neat. I dusted this off. Dusted the table a bit. This table was like 10 times worse. But at the same time, I was like rushing because I had only had an hour left. So I just put everything, like, tried to stack it up and try to make it a little bit neat. This is mine and this is my stuff. And yeah, so that's pretty much the house.